Insane day for crypto. Bitcoin has reached $97.5 thousand as of this video. Soon they will reach 100,000, and imagine when all the mainstream media outlets start talking about Bitcoin crypto, when they write 100,000 per Bitcoin. The last time retail and normal people were in this space was when the Bitcoin was at 60,000. That's when everyone basically left. Right now, no one knows that we are at 100,000. And I want to talk about few meme coins that I am still buying every dip. And these are the base meme coins. Why base meme coins? Because as you may know, Coinbase actually funded the base network, and there is a really huge opportunity, because there is a huge possibility that these meme coins will be listed on Coinbase, because it just makes sense that Coinbase are listing their own base network meme coins, their own projects. And as you may know, when some project gets listed on Coinbase, it goes insane. And again, Coinbase is the biggest exchange in the world after Binance, but I think people from US cannot actually use Binance. That's why Coinbase is the biggest exchange. And when we reach a new crypto euphoria, Coinbase is ranking in #1 spots in the app stores on Apple and Google Play. That's why my biggest play right now is base meme coins. As long as meme coins are still the biggest narrative, I hope we will get some utility token narratives as well. For example, gaming, AI, NFTs. My biggest base meme coin plays right now are Degen, Toshi, Dogin.me, TYBG, Base God, and Benji. Why I like these meme coins? There are specific reasons. For example, Degen is the biggest, I think the most popular, because the forecast, it is the biggest meme coin on Farcaster as well, and Vitalik Buterin is bullish on Farcaster. That's why I think Degen will not go anywhere, and it is listed on Coinbase. When the retail, when the normal people come here, all the people will start buying the Coinbase coins, the meme coins, and Degen is listed. Then I am buying Toshi, because Toshi is basically the cat's name of the Coinbase CEO, Brian Armstrong. This is the biggest pet meme coin on Base. Another one is Dogin.me. You can see Brian Armstrong has been posting himself about Dogin.me. For me, that's clear sign that this coin will be basically listed on Coinbase exchange. There is no other reason why he's talking about it. Another coin is TYBG. Jesse Pollack, the creator of Base Chain, has been talking about this meme coin specifically. There are at least 3-4 videos where he is talking about this Base God TYBG meme coin. And yeah, that's basically my biggest conviction. That's why I am buying base meme coins. All the Solana meme coins that I have bought, have basically dumped. That's why I am not buying any Solana meme coin, and that's the reason why I am buying base meme coins. On all base meme coins, I have gotten profits, and I still think that the base meme coin narrative hasn't really played out, because I think most of these meme coins and projects will be listed on Coinbase exchange. And this video is not a financial advice, but this is my big conviction that everything will pump. And as long as meme coins are the biggest narrative, I will be holding these ones. I hope we will get to utility tokens, utility projects like Pirate, Mochaverse, many NFT projects. And by the way, I just created my own Patreon channel where I will be posting a crypto alpha. As we getting closer to Bitcoin bull run, crypto euphoria, there'll be so much alpha I will be posting, similar to 2021. So many opportunities. This space will be insane. I'm not promising anything. I will just be posting alpha and my biggest convictions throughout the 2025. We'll try to post every day. So if you want to join, all the links are in the description. If you want to start trading, you can use my Bybit referral link to get a big bonus for trading. I'm using Bybit for trading myself all the time. And if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.